In this video, we will discuss adjusting Endo settings on a CP5i control pad. Warning: Endo file settings must be set according to the file manufacturer. File speed limits, torque limits, supported gear ratios, and supported auto modes should be provided in the Endo file instructions for use. If these settings are not set properly, patient injury may occur. For more information, consult with your file manufacturer. Ensure that the file used in reciprocal motion is approved for a torque of 3 Nm and a maximum speed of 600 revolutions per minute. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Enter the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment. Then to Delivery. Next, scroll down to General Settings. Here you can access several Endo settings, including Auto Torque. Use the up and down arrows to scroll through the options. Then press Select to save the setting. Note that this selection only applies to the current A or B user. Next are Torque Alert settings. Here you can enable or disable the torque alert. And lastly, Direction Alert. Here you can enable or disable the direction change alert. Press the chair icon to exit the menu and return to the main screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.